Hey everybody, it's I Want to Be Retro. Today we're going to take a look at setting up FTP for simple file transfer to the SteamDeck. To begin, if you're not already in desktop mode, press and hold the power button, then select Switch to Desktop from the menu. Once in desktop mode, click the Applications button, then search for Console with a K and launch it. If you haven't already done so, use the passwd command to set a password for the default deck user. Next, we'll start and enable the SSH service by using sudo systemctl enable sshd --now. We can verify the change using systemctl status. Now we'll output the IP address of the SteamDeck using the IP-A command. Take note of the IP address for use later. Now we'll jump back over to the PC and continue by downloading the FileZilla client. Navigate to your Downloads directory and launch the FileZilla installer. Step through the installer, making sure to opt out of the optional free software. At the end of the installation, make sure to launch FileZilla now. Click OK in the Welcome dialog in FileZilla. At the top of the application, enter the IP address of the SteamDeck in the host field, the username deck, the password we just set on the SteamDeck, and port 22, then click Quick Connect. Choose if you'd like FileZilla to save the password. Then when prompted, select Always Trust This Host and click OK. You're now connected to your SteamDeck over FTP. You can browse the file system of the SteamDeck on the right side of the screen, and browse the local file system on the left side of the screen, and copy files between them as needed.